I forgot to get petrol. Alright, let's get petrol. Definitely not gonna run out. Oh yeah. What are we doing? What are we building, boys? Hey, what's going on, brother? Alright. Oh man, this petrol station as well is gonna make me take my helmet off. So annoying. Most places that I've gone to have actually told me to take my helmet off when getting petrol, which has been so annoying. What I think I'm gonna do, run off with it? I mean, at these prices, tempting, but it's just so annoying. Taking my helmet off, gotta go in and pay for it. I don't think this petrol station has the option of just putting the petrol in, paying for it at the pump, and driving away. Most places that I've been to, you have to pay for it inside. It's so annoying. Come on, Australia, lift up your game with petrol station. That petrol station game, it's so important. Come on. Man, it is busy today. It's because they're doing roadworks everywhere. I guess it's a roadwork type of day. Nice and sunny, beautiful. Alright. Alright, let's actually see if they have... Yeah, but there's nowhere to pay for it. Okay. Gotta get in here, take off my helmet. Whatever. Do what you gotta do. Alright, look at that, full petrol, straight into sport mode, and off we go. Alright. You guys won't believe it. So I actually asked them, I'm like, hey guys, is there a way I can just pay for this without taking my helmet off? And they told me, like, yeah, it's like, I don't know how to do it, I'll just get the manager or whatever. Alright. Then the manager is like, yeah, you can do it like on our app, right? I'm like, alright, I'll just download the app and do it that way. That way it saves me taking off my helmet, taking off my gloves and all that. And then she's like, well, no, you still got to take off your helmet when you fill up with petrol. And I was just like, yeah, but I'm like, I'm not going to run away with the petrol. The staff member, she was like, oh, it's actually an issue for you if there's a fire or anything, and then like your smoke can get trapped in your helmet or whatever. And I'm like, oh my god, are you serious? Like, you think people are just like that dumb? There's a fire, they're gonna keep the helmet on if they can't breathe, it's a safety issue apparently. But I get it if you have your helmet on and then you get petrol, or then you can run away with it or whatever. But look, I've got my number plate and everything else, got cameras, like, come on, like, really, absolute childish rules in my opinion. know, that petrol station, they know me now. They know I'm going to keep my helmet on next time. So, hopefully in the future, they get with the program. Woohoo! So much fun. Oh, right here's a mansion. Look at this. Right here, in here. Alright guys, if it's your first time here, make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the channel, and push the bell icon to get notified when I release a new video. You can also help me as a creator by buying me a coffee. The link is in the description. I wanted to ask if you guys get, well, I know you're going to get modifications for the motorbike, right? It's just a matter of when, but what's the first modification you guys actually do when you receive, you know, your motorbike? What's going on, brother? Yeah. Thumbs up for everyone. I believe the first modification everyone should make to their bike, which is going to save their life, believe it or not, is actually adjusting the brake, the front brake lever and the clutch, okay? So I actually had this issue when I first bought my bike for the first couple months, up until, you know, I decided to adjust my front brake and my clutch. I would go to grab my front brake, but my fingers would hit underneath the brake. Another problem that this has is, obviously you want to slow down, okay? You want to be able to grab that front brake lever, but obviously because your fingers hit underneath it, you are going to bring your wrist back towards you and putting more accelerator on. So obviously when you want to slow down, accelerating is not the best, you know. So when you're trying to slow down and you are putting on more throttle, it's just a bad situation for everyone. And when you're on a motorbike, you want to be, you know, you don't want to be stressed out when riding. You want an enjoyable experience. And for the first couple of months, I was actually getting frustrated. I'm like, why is it when I'm trying to stop, you know, I'm putting this little bit of throttle on when I'm trying to stop. Now, you start to think to yourself, you're like, man, I must be a really shit rider. Now, it's not because you're a terrible rider. It's the simple fact that you need to adjust the front brake lever and the clutch, okay, so that it's a smoothless like effort to reaching and grabbing it and squeezing it in and all of that fun stuff. Every new rider, I think it's very important that they enjoy the riding experience. And for me, out of the gate, it wasn't a fun experience just because of that one little detail. Now that one little detail made riding so much more fun for me. So I would say that if you have a brand new motorbike straight off the lot, okay, or even if you buy it from someone, set it up to your specifics. Set the ergonomics of the motorbike up to suit you, the rider. And it's what every rider should actually be doing. Okay? Every rider should be doing this, because when you think about it, when you buy a car, everyone adjusts the mirrors on the car, everyone adjusts the seat, everyone adjusts, you know, even the steering wheel, you know, so why don't we do that with our motorbikes? And then you can have fun like I'm just about to have right now. So yeah, do yourself a favor before you go doing any crazy modifications like buying the exhaust, getting a dyno tunes, all of that crazy stuff. Just adjust the front brake lever, adjust the clutch, and you will thank me later. Possibly, it could save your life. Because it surely almost caused me a few accidents putting the throttle back on when I was trying to stop, you know, and it was just an ergonomic issue. Alright, I am done. Okay, just gonna park there. Alright, fair enough.